All right, here I'm making a video on how to replace these or how to fix these tabs on these M12 batteries for the Milwaukees. They break so easily. Mine's only lasted less than a year, and they actually make a little piece, just a top piece, they could just replace, as you can see. And they're pretty strong. I'm trying to bend them here to see how fragile they are, but they felt pretty good. And there's only 4 screws at the bottom of the battery. I'll show the bit right now. It's a security Torx bit. And it's like a T10 S2 T10 security bit. And then you just want to peel off the stickers on the sides of the bottom of the battery case. Then the whole thing just comes apart. But basically, just put it on the top, and it just kind of snaps in there. That's what it looks like put back all together. It actually feels really good. It snaps in really nice, almost like the original one. It doesn't feel like a cheap, made part that doesn't really fit quite right. It fit really nice, actually. And I'll make an update every couple months to see if they've broken so far or how fast they broke. Because honestly, I think there's a better option than sending it out to warranty and waiting months for it to for your batteries to arrive. I tried it with an aftermarket battery too, and it fit, but the battery just wasn't working right. This is the part number. Like I said, I just got them off of Amazon. I got 2 of them for $10, but they sell different types. And then they also have like 4 of them for $15, and they also have the smaller cases for the smaller batteries. But yeah, hopefully this helps you out if you're like me and don't want to wait a long time for your batteries to get warrantied. Honestly, I'd rather pay the $10, $15 just to fix it myself.